Wooden baby hairbrush and comb set for newborns and by Fefis is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. For a healthier scalp, unlike other plastic hairbrush sets for babies that have stiff synthetic bristles, the manufacturer's hairbrush kit is it all together, providing the best for your little one. The Gulp Hair Bristles brush is not only gentle on your newborn's soft spots but also prevents cradle cap. The manufacturer's Massage Wooden Bristles brush stimulates the scalp and increases circulation while relaxing your baby. Both brushes evenly distribute natural oils down the head shaft, conditioning your baby's hair. Because your baby deserves it, the manufacturer's parents want what's best and safe for the manufacturer's families. The manufacturer's hair brushes are made of eco-friendly natural solid beech wood. The logo is laser printed, that means no paint, no smell. All natural with no VOC releasing, formaldehyde and BPA free. One brush has natural organic goat hair and the other one wooden bristles. Absolutely safe for grooming your infant's or toddler's head full of hair. Safe and reliable. Perfect gift idea for a baby registry. Fefis wooden hairbrush set will make you look great when giving it as a present at a baby shower, Christmas, or for any occasion, with its packaging being super cute and stylish. You don't even have to wrap it. It's designed to be unisex, so it's a perfect gift for girls or boys. This pack has all that parents need when grooming baby's delicate fine hair. Bonus wooden comb. Fefis adorable maple wood comb has no coatings or finishes. All you get is real wood, so it's 100% safe. And what's best, it comes as a gift. It's excellent for styling and detangling your little one's hair, and safe as its rounded bristles won't hurt your child's head. The best customer service and warranty available. If for any reason you are not completely happy with your Fefis wooden hairbrush set, if it's damaged in shipping, breaks, or you just changed your mind, with the manufacturers you can have peace of mind. Just let them know and we'll either replace or give you your money back. You decide. There's absolutely no risk in your purchase today. If you need any help at all, simply contact them directly and we'll take care of you.